This is why you need Cary's top pruning pros for your trees. Meet Tree Service Cary NC, your local tree whisperers. Our certified arborists are experts in giving your trees a makeover. Pruning isn't just about looks, it's about health, safety, and making your yard the envy of the neighborhood. Regular pruning can prevent disease, improve air circulation, and even extend your tree's life. Plus, it keeps those pesky branches from turning into unwanted projectiles during storms. Imagine your trees looking lush, healthy, and perfectly shaped. That's the magic of professional pruning. Our team tailors each cut to the specific needs of your trees, ensuring they thrive in Cary's unique climate. So why settle for ordinary when your trees can be extraordinary? Contact Tree Service Cary NC today for a free consultation and let us bring out the best in your trees. Visit treeservicecary.com or call us now. Your trees will thank you.